Hi, it's Travis White with the Persuasive Communication Tip of the Week. What can we learn from James Bond? If you've seen the latest James Bond movie called Quantum of Solace, you know it's like many other James Bond movies. It's got handsome men, beautiful women, really bad guys, things that explode, car chases, all kinds of excitement. One of the things you may not know is that on average there's a camera change or a scene change in that movie every 1.7 seconds. So things are happening very quickly, and that helps keep our attention. And a lot of people talk today about the whole world is suffering from attention deficit disorder. And a lot of different people have a lot of different theories about why that is. Some people blame video games, some people blame diet, some people blame television. But it does seem that we do have attention deficit disorder, that we're constantly flitting from one topic to another. In fact, I recently read a study of business executives in the United States that said on average business executives are interrupted once every 4 minutes. And frankly, that's one of the reasons these videotapes are less than 4 minutes long. We're trying to fit it in between interruptions. And this has a lot to do and a good recommendation for you as you think about your presentations and your persuasive communications. It's much easier today to absorb short, intermittent, brief communications. When I was younger, I used to write memos, and I remember memos that were 4, 5, 6, even 7 pages long. Today, I hardly ever write a 4, 5, 6, 7-page memo. I write short chunks that are easy to consume, within 4 minutes, because people are interrupted. Their attention shifts every 4 minutes. Now think about your slide presentations. You put up a slide and you leave it there for 10 minutes. Compare that to James Bond. James Bond, there's a camera switch every 1.7 seconds. So one of the things we would recommend for you is that as you do presentations, you should use more slides, but with less information per slide. So you keep things moving. You have some animations perhaps, things appear as you speak to them, or you move from slide to slide to slide a little more quickly than perhaps you're used to than you traditionally would. That's particularly true for webinars and WebExes, where the audience doesn't have you to look at. They have only the slide, they have only the visual information from the slide. Move those slides more quickly. So it's often better from a persuasive communication perspective, holding the audience's attention, to use more slides, but fewer or less information on each slide, and move more quickly through the slides. So think about the 4-minute rule. Can the person that's going to receive your information, can they consume the information in 4 minutes? Can they consume it in between the interruptions that are likely to occur in their life? That's the Persuasive Communication Tip of the Week. See you again next week.